In the quiet aftermath of a storm, when the air is heavy and the world seems to pause, that's where I find myself. At first, I thought it was peace, but beneath the surface, there's a different truth. Healing feels like breaking. It's a paradox, like standing amidst shattered glass and feeling the sharp edges reshape into something new. Every crack, every fracture echoes with memories. They whisper stories of who I was before the storm, before the winds tore through my carefully constructed walls. I thought healing would be serene, but instead it's a cacophony of change, the sound of old pieces grinding against the new, struggling to fit. Each day is a dance with discomfort, a waltz with the ghost of what used to be. As I mend, I'm unmade, each step both a promise of repair and a reminder of the breaking. There is beauty in this destruction, a wild, untamed beauty that speaks of growth but also loss. It's not gentle, it's a raw, unfiltered unraveling. In this space of in-betweens, I learn that to heal is to accept the chaos, to surrender to the mosaic of broken and whole. The transformation feels violent, yet it brings with it a tender strength and new form emerging from the debris of the old. So here I stand, amidst the rubble, feeling the weight of what was and the lightness of what could be. Healing is breaking, and in breaking there is hope.